What if I told you this luxury ad was made entirely in PowerPoint? Today, I'll show you exactly how I made it. First, insert an image and use it as the background. Then insert an arrow shape. Change the gradient fill from dark brown to light brown. Next, add an image of a leopard. And don't forget to add the Cartier logo. You can use the thumbnails on the left to help with the layout. Then insert a watch image and move it to the left. You can edit the points and adjust the shape to fit the watch more closely. Duplicate the slide. On the previous slide, move the logo and leopard off the slide. Add the morph transition to the second slide. And that's our first scene. Now duplicate the second slide. Move the watch, logo, and other elements to the right. Enlarge the background image and add some text. Copy and paste the text onto the previous slide near the top. This makes the animation much smoother. Let's play it back. Pretty cool, right? Next, duplicate the third slide. Scale the image down a little. Move the text to the left and remove the elements on the right. Leave only the watch. Add a blur effect to the background image. Then insert a rectangle. Increase its transparency a little. Bring the watch to the front and move it into the slide. Now you can add some new text and paste the same text onto the third slide, moving it to the bottom. Let's play it back. See how the text comes in from the bottom? Now create a new slide. Insert a new image and change the transition to pan. Then duplicate the slide and change the transition to morph. Enlarge the image and crop out the unnecessary parts. Insert an image of a golden ribbon and add the logo to the top right. Add some text along the curve of the ribbon. Make sure to copy the text, ribbon, and other elements to the previous slide as well. And move them outside the slide. This will make the animation much smoother. Now let's play the whole thing from the beginning. And that's our Cartier animation. Follow me for more.